Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency and payment platform, and its main aim is to promote the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. In order to sign up for Crypto.com, go open your web browser and type in signupcrypto.com and search. From the search results, click on this link right here and you'll end up in the sign up page for Crypto.com. If you already have an account, you can tap on the sign up link and start logging into your account. In order to sign up for a new account, you'll need to enter your full name in the first text field. Now, move on to the next field and type in your email address. Make sure to type in a valid email address and move on to the next field and type in a username for yourself. Now, once you do that, create a password with at least 8 to 20 characters. Make sure to type in the password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. Move on to the next field and type in the password one more time in order to confirm the password. Click on this little box right here. It says, by clicking on the sign up, I hereby acknowledge that I agree to the Crypto.com terms of conditions and policy. Tap on this box right here in order to verify and complete the puzzle. And finally, after the verification is done, tap on sign up. Now, you'll need to confirm your email address. Go and check your email address associated with the account. Tap on verify email as soon as you do that, and you have successfully signed up for Crypto.com. You can tap on the sign in button in order to log into your account now. That is how you can easily sign up for Crypto.com. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.